Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Why won't my car turn off? Troubleshooting a car that keeps running. Ever turned off your car, but it keeps running? It's a head scratcher and quite a common issue. When you twist the key to the off position, your car should shut down. If it doesn't, there might be something amiss with your ignition or the electrical system. This guide will walk you through the likely causes and offer simple fixes. Stick around to learn why this happens and how you can prevent it in the future. Understanding the issue. Have you ever experienced the unsettling situation where your car continues to run even after you've turned the key off? Understanding the underlying causes of this issue is crucial to ensuring your safety and the health of your vehicle. Possible causes. Faulty ignition switch. A common culprit for this issue is a malfunctioning ignition switch. When the switch fails to cut off the engine properly, your car may keep running even when the key is in the off position. Electrical system issues. Problems within the electrical system, such as a short circuit or a wiring issue, can also lead to the engine staying on after you've shut off the key. Malfunctioning fuel system. Issues with the fuel system, such as a stuck fuel injector or a faulty fuel pump relay, can cause the engine to continue running despite the key being turned off. Impact on vehicle. Continuing to drive with the engine running after the key is turned off can have detrimental effects on your vehicle. One major concern is the risk of draining your car's battery, as the engine drawing power when it shouldn't can quickly deplete the battery. Moreover, this situation can potentially cause damage to the engine itself. Running the engine without proper control can lead to overheating and other mechanical issues that may result in costly repairs down the line. It's essential to address this issue promptly to prevent further damage to your vehicle and ensure your safety on the road. Diagnosing the problem. Identifying why your car stays running when you shut off the key can be perplexing. To get to the root of the issue, a step-by-step diagnostic process is crucial. Let's get the detailed guide on how to diagnose the problem and the tools you'll need to get the job done. Step-by-step process. When faced with the issue of your car staying running after the key is turned off, begin by checking the ignition switch for any irregularities. Inspect the electrical connections to ensure there are no loose wires or damaged components that could be causing the problem. Next, test the fuel system to rule out any fuel-related issues that could be keeping the engine running. By following these steps, you can systematically narrow down the potential causes of the malfunction. Tools needed. To accurately diagnose why your car remains running after the key is off, the following tools are essential. Multimeter. Use a multimeter to check the voltage and continuity of electrical circuits. Screwdrivers. Different types and sizes of screwdrivers may be needed to access various components in the ignition system. Fuel pressure gauge. This tool is crucial for testing the fuel system's pressure and ensuring it operates within the manufacturer's specifications. By having these tools on hand, you'll be equipped to troubleshoot the issue effectively and pinpoint the underlying cause of your car's persistent running behavior. Fixing the problem. Now that you've identified the issue causing your car to stay running when you shut the key off, it's time to tackle the problem head-on. Here are a couple of approaches you can take to address the situation effectively. Repairing the faulty components. If the culprit behind the persistent running of your car lies in faulty components such as the ignition switch, wiring, or fuel system parts, it's crucial to address these promptly. Begin by inspecting the identified components to determine the extent of the damage. For issues like a malfunctioning ignition switch, consider replacing the part with a new one that matches your vehicle's requirements. Similarly, for damaged wiring, carefully repair or replace the affected wires to restore proper functionality. In the case of faulty fuel system components, such as a stuck fuel injector, have the part examined and repaired or replaced by a qualified professional. Seeking professional help. While some car issues can be resolved through DIY methods, certain complex problems or those requiring specialized tools are best handled by experienced mechanics or auto technicians. If you find yourself unsure about how to proceed or lacking the necessary expertise to address the issue effectively, it's advisable to seek professional help. An experienced mechanic will possess the knowledge and tools needed to diagnose the problem accurately and carry out the necessary repairs efficiently. By consulting a professional, you can ensure that the underlying issue is correctly identified and resolved, preventing future complications and ensuring your vehicle's optimal performance. Remember, when it comes to addressing automotive problems, safety should always be a top priority. If you encounter challenges during the repair process or feel uncertain about handling certain components, don't hesitate to reach out to a qualified professional for assistance. By taking the appropriate steps to fix the problem causing your car to remain running after shutting off the key, you'll not only restore your vehicle's functionality but also maintain its longevity and reliability on the road. Preventing recurrence. After experiencing the issue of your car staying running when you shut the key off, it's crucial to take proactive steps to prevent this problem from happening again in the future. Here are some practical tips to help you avoid a recurrence. Maintenance tips. Regular maintenance of your vehicle's electrical system is essential to prevent unexpected issues like your car staying on after turning the key. Ensure the battery terminals are clean and securely connected. Periodically check the condition of the wiring and fuses to detect any signs of wear or damage. Additionally, proper care of the ignition system, including timely replacement of spark plugs and ignition coils, can help maintain optimal functionality and prevent future malfunctions. Regular inspections. Scheduled inspections by a qualified mechanic are key to identifying any early signs of potential problems related to your car's ignition system. During these inspections, components such as the ignition switch, starter motor, and wiring will be thoroughly examined for any wear or malfunction. Addressing minor issues promptly can prevent them from escalating into more significant problems that could result in your car staying on when the key is turned off. By following these maintenance tips and prioritizing regular inspections, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of facing the issue of your car running when the key is shut off again. Taking a proactive approach to vehicle maintenance is not only cost-effective but also ensures the safety and reliability of your vehicle for the long haul. Fixing a car that stays running after you turn off the key is crucial. Ignoring it could lead to bigger problems like a dead battery or safety risks. Common causes include a sticky ignition switch, faulty wiring, or a bad alternator. Each has its own solution and level of difficulty. Act quickly and get your car checked by a professional. It's not just about convenience, it's about keeping your car safe and reliable. Don't wait until a small issue turns into a major hassle. Taking care of this now will save you time, money, and stress down the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.